Here is a little video of Sandos FInisterra Ocean View Suite. It's room 1501. It's the last room down the hallway. As you walk in, right on your side, the right side, is the vanity mirror. You have a scale, hair dryer here, your iron with the iron board, hangers, safe. Right next to it is the bathroom. Looks clean. Bathtub, toilet. You have a water station with a mini bar, beers and sodas, no liquor as of right now. Looks like it's a queen bed. I have a TV on the wall. A living area here with a little sofa bed, I guess it is. Coffee table, the little round dining table, and as I said, it's an ocean view, so you can see the view. Nice balcony. Another table with chairs, and we're on the 5th floor. You can see ocean in front of us, the 3 pools. They have a little entertainment going on right now at the middle pool, right next to the Tortuga restaurant where we just had our lunch. You can see the balconies below us. 4th floor, 3rd floor. I can see the 2nd from here and the 1st. And above us, it's 6th floor. It's not bad view. Quite a big waves today. It's our first day, so let's see. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.